the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.